I know you're not cold.
It's raining! Guys, that's the river here. Let's play. I hate it. It's dying. Hey, don't wipe it on me. Yeah, me too. Just keep it out of the pool. Mommy's coming.
You don't need a towel yet. Get over there. Where's Samuel K? He'll find him a friend.
Yeah.
I'm sharing this with your mother. Go run through those little things.
We need paper towel.
Wipe it on my face. Right over and get you a towel out so you can wipe your face off.
Okay. Get me a towel, please, for the mom. Yeah, with me.
Kellyanne, go with your sister to get towels out.
Why?
She wants to wipe her face off.
Yeah.
Well, here, get back over there.
Wait a minute.
Get over there and play.
I did. Oh, this shirt is like medium nipple.
Well, take it off. Say hi.
Hello. How do you know my name?
Huh?
How do you know my name?
I don't. I said say hi.
Hi.
What is your name?
Zara.
Zara. That's a pretty name. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Do you come here often?
Oh, yeah.
You live close by?
Yeah.
This is their first time here.
Yeah. Well, that was your guess of the day.
Sam, you okay? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Look, tell me how much fun you're having. Okay, go back and get wet again. Go on.
We saw a rainbow. Guys, come here. Come on. Hey, wait for the tower. I need to tell you something cool. Come on.
Go on and play. They don't want to. Well, you're going to stay cold until you get out there and get used to it.
Holy crap.
Samuel, stay on the water and quit running on the side. Hmm?
Why are you so scared of the water? I'm in my eyes. Do that, Sammy. Listen down.
Samuel don't care to play. Well, honey, it's going to happen. You just get used to it. It's just like a swimming pool. Go run through those. That'll get you used to it. Samuel, go down there and run with Kellyanne.
I take my thing out.
Can you help her take that out? Watch them.
What are they looking at? I'm not playing anymore.
Let's go on and play.
Come on. I'm not going until you guys.
We'll go play with Sophia or Kellyanne and Samuel.
No, I'm sick.
She'll come out there in a minute. Get wet and get used to it. What's Samuel?
I completely Are you going to get in the water? Stop being crazy.
Samuel, okay, stay on the water. Run through it, Sophia. Just go. Oh, that one just jumped on you. It dumped on you, didn't it?
Towel.
Just wipe your face off. You don't need to wipe anything else.
Come on. That's wet.
Well, get out there and get wetter and it'll make it warm. What's Sophia? She's waiting on it to spill. It missed you, Sophia. Samuel's just playing. He don't care who's around. What's your brother, Sophia? What's your brother? He don't care. If you stay in the water, you'll be fine. Look at Samuel. Does he look like he's cold? No. Samuel, go play. Hey, Sophia, stand right where Kellyanne is. It does not hurt.
If you're not going to do it, I'm not going to do it.
Wait a minute. Go back. It didn't land on you. Huh? It's no different than playing in a swimming pool. She ain't afraid of water. Watch Samuel. Watch your brother.
I'm not touching anymore though.
Watch your brother. Watch him. Whoa. Samuel, okay, quit running.
Do it? Yeah.
Where's Samuel? Hi.
I went through that thing. Alright, fine.
You go through the Wood River.
Abby, come on. I will. Abby, come on. Doesn't look like you're doing it.
Everybody be like Samuel.
Yeah, be like Samuel. You be like Samuel. Abby, come on. If you were Roxanne, you would actually do that. Yeah, I'm sorry. No, do it again. He did it twice.
Watch him.
He just don't say it. That's my step hand. Sophia, let me teach you a little trick. Sophia. Now, Abby. Sophia, let me teach you a little trick. Sophia, let me teach you a little trick I taught Samuel. Come here. What flavor is that? Come on.
Hawaiian shaved ice.
Sophia, I'm going to teach you a little trick I taught Bubba. Come on. You're wet.
I know.
You can see your rainbow with that wood.
Hey, if you step on that and hold it down, it goes up high. That little girl did a minute ago. Step on it and hold your foot over it for a minute and watch how high it goes.
Okay, got it. There we go.
Now move your foot.
Oh my goodness.
Stay on the water pad, Sam.
That went higher than I thought it would. Sophia, do that one.
Well, we'll eat when we leave here. Get over and play some more.
Ready? Set.
Sophia's went higher.
Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm still went higher. Okay. Maybe that one.
You want to go walk around and get the whole thing for me?
Sophia, you're not touching it. Okay, Sophia, you do that. One, two, three. Now we're higher. That's your spot. One, two, one, two, three. Stay fast.
No, you can't have a drink of the energy drink. Go get that thing out of the vehicle. I don't know. Bring that bag up here.
I got my eyes. Where's Ivy going?
to get something to drink.
Fun fact of the day. If you stand in water, it makes it warmer. I'm hungry.
Well, after we get done here, we'll go get some food. Are you done playing here?
Can we get those fish in after we're done?
Huh?
After we're done playing, can we get when we went past that food place?
What food place?
Okay.
Pals.
No. No. You're disgusting. Yeah. Come on, Ivy, come on.
Go play and then we're going to go get something to eat.
Please, Ivy. Yay! Wash your hands on me. Come on, come on. Let's go again. Ivy, come on. Step on my toe. You hungry?
Okay, go play.
Can you give me one thing?
Yeah, get you something out. Would you like a snack? Come here and pick you something out. What do you want? Go ahead and look in there. Go ahead.
Y'all should come here. Y'all should come here. It's pretty good. As we call him Woodburger, but the other people call him Bigfoot. He's actually pretty good. Stand beside him and take a picture.
Here, don't feel it.
Come on. I'm gonna take it out. You see, I got a challenge for you. Come on.
Where'd they go? Don't eat that, Samuel. Here, put the trash back in the bag.
Bruce, stay down. Come on. Wait a minute.
Here it goes, ready to come back on. Get ready.
Now, can you
Let her eat her Reese's.
Are you going to be posting this? So that's all empty. Try the dumper bucket. It's pretty not hard, but it has pressure. Try it. Don't be like these two. Don't be kids.
Right here's trash can.
And
Stand
also
okay.
there's a raining tree. There's trees that just rain all of a sudden. Stop. There's trees that just rain all of a sudden.
Right here.
This is called the raining tree. So let's rain on you and it feels awesome. And there's also a little kids area over there. There's a little kids area that feels awesome. And there's also a little kids area over there. There's a little For little kids. So if you're a little kid, I would suggest you to try it.
I get. I do.
Very fun world. Come and try it
Where
out.
are you from?
Where we at, Norton? Try it out.
Hello.
Okay.
But I don't even say.
How are you guys?
I'm
Hi.
to
Say hi, Sophia.
Hi.
Say hi, Kellyanne.
Hi.
Hi.
Samuel, say hi.
Hi.
Abby, say hi.
That's her cousin. She's not been on this channel very much, but
Kellyanne, open this for him.
That's it, this guy.
Here, open that all the way. Give him my drink.
What's up? Táwọn ilé mu àti wọ́n ṣe é lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ bíi to the back of the screen. The back on the screen, guys. Let me see that easy.
So take your pick on the couch, bud. Go on and play. She'll be there in a minute. Daniel, put your paper in trash.
Disconnect. Lọ́dọ̀ tó dá. Ká tó wáyé padà. Kí ló ń gbọ́n ìlú wá fún yín báyìí?
Don't worry, we think the water down. No, it cuts off. And
Follow back.
So it will be on like in a second. So don't worry or panic if it cuts off.
Follow me back. A ti ṣe kiri mọ́, a ti di sẹ̀lẹ́bù, kò ń ṣe a ti di sẹ̀lẹ́bù náà, àbọ̀ wọ̀ bí tọ́. Follow me please, follow me back. I need more followers man. Òyìnbó mi again, wàhálà òyìnbó mi.
They look nice there. Your buddy's from Africa.
Car is bàjẹ́.
You like my car, my friend?
What's wrong with your car, man?
Nothing, buddy. Everything good.
What's wrong with your car?
Oh, nothing. It's
Hello?
wonderful car, huh?
Coffee up water. That's awesome.
Dọ̀nà.
Mama, where my towel?
Kò lè ṣe tiẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Àìmọ̀ dáńgá. Ẹ́ ẹ̀nà. Àwọn tẹ́ kí wò rẹ́ títọ̀ tó wá ń wá àwọn níbi àga wá títọ̀ wọ́pọ̀ títọ̀ kù. Àwọn níbi àga wọ́pọ̀ títọ̀ kù sí. Wọ́n tún wọ̀ pé kíní kankan.
house that has an American flag.
So the bank continue so there.
Step in the middle of it, girl.
American flag. Thanks for all the people that are watching this live. We appreciate you.
Afana. You not see food again. I will because I already talked to me. They are bringing me this moment. Double tap. Oh yeah.
Here's some second life.
Where's China?
They're coming
Give me one drop. Oh yeah. Double tap. Yeah, double tap. After the life, I'll give you one key. I swear.
I
Double tap.
know.
After the life, I'll give you one key. Don't worry. That's a journey. Yeah, nah. Okay. Come and do life, man. You wanna watch your life with you? Let me add you. I'll do for you. 27 followers. You're too small. You're too small. Like very well. You know, be small like you go like very well. Yeah, you are like you. Carry my like you maybe. Yeah, be put 100. Be like you 100 likes. And I'm making you know. I'm making you TikTok. Yeah, it's more time. Come on, Mini. Yeah. I'm making TikTok. It's a small game like TikTok. I'm making. Yeah, carry me at 100 like Gary. Don't worry, I'll give you 1 key. Yeah, nah. Thank you. Yeah, carry me at 200. Yeah, carry me at 200. I'll give you 1 key. No, 200, 2K. 200, 2K. Sure, yeah. 200, 2K. Don't worry. Yeah, don't tap. Don't tap. Are you ever get 1 key now? I'll carry you come up. Sure, yeah.
Are you good?
One shit. I'm going to share it. Let me make my money. Carry me that 300. Carry me that 300. I'll give it to you. Get that.
We already got it.
Huh?
We already got it.
Get me a gift card.
But we
You
want
got gift card, man.
to refresh
Wow.
and know that you love God. And exactly, God loves you. God bless you.
Do you have gift card? Do not buy. Oh yeah. Carry me that 300. Carry me that 300.
Someone you need to back where money. Boss.
Where streaming from?
You said
Where streaming from?
I'm swimming
Where
for
streaming from? Where streaming from?
I'm swimming for Lagos. I'm swimming for Lagos.
Yeah, now.
You be big man now.
Follow me. I follow you back.
Yeah, I'll follow you back.
Follow me. I follow you back. Say.
Yeah, I'll follow you back.
Yeah, follow back like that.
Where are you shooting from?
Ibadan. Look at the
Where are you
benches.
shooting from?
Ibadan.
Ah, I said go over.
You did.
Go over.
I just said it. Oh, yeah, I just said it.
That's how I said with you.
You know love. Kí ló ṣe wọ́n?
Ìyá ń jẹ wá àtẹ̀wá lókè ìyá sùn.
Ah, ìyá ń jẹ mi gan. Ọlọ́run mo kàn ń tọrọ kiri. Mo tọrọ títọ́ kiri. Ọlọ́run.
Press money.